In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for retrospectives. By the end, you'll be ready to set up a clean, focused space your team can use to reflect on a sprint or project and capture clear outcomes. We'll start by creating a retro board. Think of this as your dedicated canvas for the conversation. From your Miro dashboard, create a new board and give it a clear name so your team can find it later. If you see a retrospective template you like, you can start with that. Otherwise, a blank board works perfectly. Keep the canvas zoomed to a comfortable level and turn on simple grid lines if you want a tidy layout. It also helps to add a brief title and 1 or 2 sentences at the top explaining the goal of the retro, like reflecting on what worked, what needs improvement, and ideas to try next. Next, open your new board and add frames for each retro step. Frames are containers that help structure the conversation. Create one labeled "Went well" to capture wins, successes, and practices to keep doing. Add a second frame labeled "To improve" for pain points, blockers, or anything that could be smoother next time. Then add a third frame labeled "Ideas," where you can collect suggestions, experiments, or action concepts your team wants to try. Space the frames evenly and make the headings large and readable. You can pre-place a few sticky notes in each frame so participants know exactly where to add their thoughts. Consider color coding, like green for "Went well," yellow for "To improve," and blue for "Ideas," to make the board easy to scan later. If you expect a larger group, duplicate the frames so each person or sub-team gets their own set, and add a short prompt at the top of each frame to guide contributions. When your structure looks good, it's time to publish and share. Set the board's access to match your needs, whether that's anyone with the link can view, comment, or edit, or inviting specific teammates by email. Copy the share link and include a brief note about how you'd like people to participate and when. Before the meeting, do a quick test by opening the link in a private browser window to confirm permissions are correct. After the retro, you can keep the board as a living record, export a snapshot for notes, or lock frames to preserve decisions. That's it. With a clear board, well-labeled frames, and the right sharing settings, your retrospective will be organized, inclusive, and ready to drive meaningful improvements.